Qingdao iFlow Company Limited is a leading manufacturer and supplier of premium valves and accessories, founded in 2010 in Qingdao, China. With a strong focus on quality and innovation, we specialize in a wide range of valves, including butterfly valves, gate valves, globe valves, ball valves, and check valves, catering to industries such as water treatment, HVAC, marine, and oil and gas. Our products, made from materials like cast iron, brass, bronze, and polypropylene, have been trusted in high-profile projects worldwide, including the Shangri-La Hotel, Fiat Workshop, and MSC vessels. With over a decade of experience, we proudly serve clients in more than 40 countries, including the USA, Germany, and Italy. We operate under the ISO 9001 quality management system and hold certifications like CE, WRAS, DNV, GL, LR, and ABS, ensuring reliability in compliance. Our dedicated R&D team, competitive pricing, and excellent customer service make us a trusted partner for flow control solutions.